Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to export a diagram as a GIF. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Droyo, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Exporting a diagram as a GIF isn't a direct feature of the platform, but of course we are here to explore some workaround to achieve it. Alright, number one option is, if you haven't created any image, any workflow or diagram here, this is going to be the perfect time for you to do it. In my case, you'll be having the blank canvas, and on the left side panel of your dashboard are the tools where you can create a diagram or simple an image. For example, this, right? Or maybe this one right here, you can put, or how about we create a GIF out of this actor, all right? And this actor is gonna be matter of fact, it's deep labs. All right, so that I'll put in some more information such as miscellaneous. Maybe I'll put it here. All right, so cool. So for example, you wanted to export this as a GIF. Again, if you go to the file, you don't have necessarily the option to export it or download it as a GIF. All right. But what we can do is convert a static diagram to GIF. All right. For now, we're going to export this as a PNG, or you can choose from a JPEG, whichever you prefer. But for now, I'm going to be choosing JPEG. You can zoom it for 100% or border width, selection only. You can choose from diagram, page, or you can also choose the transparent background, which I will be choosing. All right, click add this, all pages or the current page, and click on export. Now you have two options here. When you export, you can choose from any of the following. You can choose Google Drive, pick a folder, OneDrive, JetLab, JetHub, device, or open in a new window. Once you have exported the file as PNG, you might want to go to the easiest and free online image converter such as Convertio and EasyGIF, or any image editing software like Photoshop to convert the PNG to JPEG. You can also go here at Convertio after EasyGIF. Just choose the file or drop it here. Now when you do that, you have an option to choose any of the following. All right, and obviously we're going to be choosing GIF. Ready? And if you wanted to add more files, you're welcome to do that. Just click on the add more files. You can choose from the Google Drive, Dropbox, and a lot more. But of course, we're just going to click the convert button. Just have to wait for it. It takes a little while. And then once you've done that, all you're going to do is click on save button. Right, it's converting. It takes a little while, really, depending on the complexity of or the data of the image you wanted to convert as GIF. The more complex, the more it takes a little while. All I have to do is click the download button. Now once you do that, you might gonna go to the file section, click on the import from your device. And now, although it's a native, it isn't a native feature, you can be able to import a GIF here on the Droyo platform. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.